Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to my latest adventure as I explore the stunning coastline of Corsica. In this 4 Kelvin walking tour, we'll be visiting some of the most breathtaking beaches on this beautiful island. Before we begin, I would appreciate it if you could show some love to this video by clicking the like button and subscribing to my channel to stay updated on all of my travel adventures. As we walk along the coast, you'll also be able to see the beautiful cliffs and rocky formations that surround the beach. Another highlight of our tour is the beautiful Rondinara beach, which is considered one of the most beautiful beaches in Europe. The beach is known for its crescent-shaped bay and crystal-clear waters that are perfect for swimming and snorkeling. From the beach, we can also enjoy stunning views of the rugged cliffs and lush greenery that surround the area.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts from my walks, subscribe to my Patreon, link below.
Last but not least, we'll be visiting the enchanting beach of Santa located on the northwest coast of Corsica. This beach is known for its powdery white sand and clear turquoise waters, which offer a perfect backdrop for relaxation and swimming. As we walk along the coast, you'll also be able to see the beautiful dunes and pine trees that surround the area. Thank you for joining me on this stunning walking tour of Corsica's most beautiful beaches. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel adventures. And please leave a comment down below and let me know which beach was your favorite. Until next time.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!